What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode of Draco's Journey to Master Ball, where virtual teams are teams that I've created to reach the Master Ball tier. As always, I am Draco, and we got frogs on the channel. They're hopping all over the place. They're taking names. They're knocking Pokemon out, and they're doing amazing. 3 excellent battles lined up for you guys. A really good showcase for this team, and I wanted to get a really good showcase for this team because it's my team. I want a good showcase for every team I use, don't get me wrong on that. But when it comes to my team, I really focus on getting battles that are what the team's supposed to do. Sometimes I'll get a rental team and I'll find a core that works, and that'll be the episode. 3 battles with that because it just works. Or that's just the 3 battles I got, or whatever. This one, and with my teams in general, I usually go a little bit more out of my way to make sure I can get every facet of the team going, and we do that. The first battle is really, really good. The second battle is the best battle, in my opinion, for Poliwrath, and he gets going really well, and it's amazing. And same thing with the third battle. We get the other side of the team going as well with the Ogre Palm and stuff like that. We make some pretty key reads in the final battle to pick up the victory. It's a really good battle. I definitely recommend checking out the second and third battle for sure. And check out the first battle while you're at it, because then you get to watch the whole episode, and that's what's up. Anyways, if you want a full breakdown of the team, I have it on the in the last episode. We did a test and tune episode for frogs. I did change some stuff. I was talking about thinking about maybe changing Ogre Palm to the Follow Me, but I'm glad I didn't. We'll just say that. And then the Poliwrath, I had said in the test and tune episode that Poliwrath outspeeds Landers, which is true. That Poliwrath did outspeed Landers. It just didn't outspeed Jolly Landers. Good news, everyone! This Poliwrath does in fact outspeed Landers, Adamant, Jolly. Doesn't matter. And I'm talking Choice Scarf. I'm talking holding the Choice Scarf. It's in the rain. You have to have the rain set up or the Tailwind. But with the +6 belly drum, you can take 3 intimidates and be a +3, and you'll still guaranteed a KO with the liquidation. Even if they're Terra. It's a crazy calculation. I did it, and it kind of blew my mind that you can just destroy one of the fastest Pokemon in the meta right now with a Poliwrath. Yeah. Anyways, nothing else really changed in the team. And honestly, I might do a few tweaks on it and bring it back to the channel. We'll see on that. Maybe not. I always say that about my teams, but most of the time I don't do it. But like I said, 3 excellent battles. Definitely highly recommend sticking around and checking them out. The second and third battle are amazing. If you guys are excited to see frogs on the channel, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, we're trying to reach 500 subscribers. So go ahead, scroll down, hit that big red subscribe button. And with all that being said, let's get on to today's battles. This is the first a lowland golem, I believe that's what that is, that I've ever seen on Bladder. And that's electric rock. That's crazy. Okay. The problem is it definitely could have Trick Room. So I think we're gonna go Tornadus, Fluttermane, Rillaboom, and I'm just gonna bring Ogre Palm, I think. This is one of the times where I wish we had the Fire Ogre Palm. Let me check something real quick. I think I changed this Ogre Palm too, and I didn't mention it in the intro. No, I didn't. I was gonna change it to Follow Me, but I guess I didn't change it. That was one of those, I'm going to sleep on it, and I never did it when I woke up this morning. Anyways, let's see what we can do here. What was that, Masta? Whatever? Good luck, have fun. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's battle. Frog's turn on the ladder. Masta, Roshi. Golem and Indeedee. I think he's got a beard like me. Look at that. We could try and taunt Indeedee. Let's just go Moonblast into Golem just to see what happens. Oh, the Psychic Terrain. I always forget about that. It should have been switching into... We just take a Golem with one hit. I don't even care. Trick Room, dude. Nah, they're going to Trick Room, unfortunately. I totally screwed that up. I should have switched into the Rillaboom to taunt it. That's how you stop that Trick Room from happening. Unfortunate that that happened that way. We got to get our Flutter Mane out, and now we got to fight through some Trick Room turns. We'll switch here. You may have to switch a bunch. We should have just switched into Rillaboom to taunt. Bad play. We made a bad play that turn. That could bite us. That could definitely, I mean, that could just ruin the whole game. That's all it takes is one play. And you just put yourself on the back foot and you can't come back from it. Hopefully we can come back and we can pick up a victory here. So we're going to see what happens once they decide what they're going to do. Okay. Now, if they take out their... They're not going to. No, they would have already been out, right? What are you imprisoning? Shell Smash. That speeds you up, doesn't it? Okay, attack. Special attack. And speed. That speeds you up. Why would you Shell Smash under Trick Room? Get out of here, Torterra. We made a misplay. They made a bigger misplay. All they had to do was attack something. Didn't it got like Rock Slide or something on a Torterra? I don't know what you imprisoning, but it ain't me. Gliscor. Okay. And Fake Out? Wow. Sorry about that. I think that was a weird hair. It's kind of gross. D-Gleam. This guy just is like, yo, I'm hitting D-Gleam. Oh! I like that. You faked out because I was choice selected into Moonblast, by the way. Not D-Gleam, but I see what you did there. Okay. Gliscor is poisoned. Two more turns of Trick Room. We'll just Terra in the grass and we'll go for a Grassy Glide into that thing. And a Bleak Windstorm. It might even KO with a Grassy Glide. I thought we misplayed, man. Shell Smash. Like, what the heck was that? Oh. Sure, protect. I don't know. Okay. We'll just wait for them to do whatever they're going to do. Oh, they're going to D-Gleam us again. Because they're doing... like, nothing. Oh, indeed he avoided that attack. Okay. Poison Heal. Sure. Wood Hammer. That way they can't reset Trick Room up. We'll taunt, so that we can't reset the Trick Room up. We'll just try and get this Wood Hammer off. We have all four of our Pokemon. Okay, taunt. Should have done this like 4 turns ago. But, you know, now they definitely can't get the Trick Room off. But we're faster under Trick Room. That's hilarious. Woodhammer takes out Indeedee. It's just a lonely Gliscor. We do take Recoil. Fling. A Toxic Orb. That did nothing. I mean, Poison does. Okay. Badly poisonous, too, so it's going to be... And the Poison Heal. That's pretty funny, actually. We'll just tail in and hit the Woodhammer. Stop protecting! Either that's fall allergies really kicking me right now, or I just had a tickle in my throat. I don't know. I think it's my allergies. My eyes are itchy. Okay. Stop with that. Just taunt you so you can't protect. How about that? Like, come on, man. We have you 4-1. Like, why aren't you just quitting? I admire the no-quits. He's, like, determined not to take. Yay! We didn't get swept! Yes! Oh, critical hit, too. Good for you. But, I mean, like, it's just relevant. Gliscor is being kind of annoying. I guess we should have saved our Terra for Overcom then. I tried to get kind of greedy right there and end the match, but then they protected and, yeah. Rain Dance, Ivy Cudgel. That way we do more damage. More damage. Right? That's how it works, right? That's how that always works, right? The rain creates more damage. So I know the sun does. Rain Dance. Oh, they went Water Terra. Dude, come on! Knock it off. If they beat me with Gliscor, I'm gonna quit playing Pokemon. No, that did like squat. That was a lot of damage there, actually. Just Horn Leech. You can't protect. Like we win no matter. We have him pinned. Like with the taunts and yeah, come on. Should have quit 3 minutes ago. We had you pinned. As soon as we taunted you, we were done. I mean, they made some clever plays. Don't get me wrong. They made some clever plays, but like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's like chess. If I've lost the chess match, I'm just gonna admit defeat and say, you win, GG's. But like, you know, play your outs. I don't really know what your outs were because I still had a whole Fluttermane in the back. Like a whole Fluttermane. Fluttermane was like, let me in, coach. Put me in, coach. Let me moonblast him. Anyways, GG's my opponent. We got another battle coming at you. Alright. Battle time. They actually got a really good team. Pretty standard team as far as like what I see running around. So if we go like Poliwhirl, I know they have the Rillaboom, but I'm not too afraid of it. We bring our Rillaboom, our Tornadus, and do we want to bring Palpitoad? So my plan is to hit the Is it the Belly Drum fake out, switch into Tornadus, Tailwind, go from there. Maybe we should have led Tornadus because they have Tornadus. And we didn't bring Politoed, so we have to set the rain up with Tornadus. Okay. Cool. We could Terra and hit that belly drum. Hit that fake out. Let them hit the Tailwind. Just in case they like try and Grassy Glide us and stuff like that. But that's why I was okay with bringing Poliwrath in front of a Rillaboom. Just because we have Grass Terra. So. I feel like we definitely should have put Politoed. Yeah, because they could have Sunny Day. Okay, we Terra. We fake them out. They're going to Tailwind. Oh, they Bleak Wind Storm. Oh my gosh. Poliwrath avoided. Holy cow. Poliwrath and Rillaboom. That was so bad. That could have been so bad. Like, oh my gosh, that could have been bad. Wow. That could have been the worst play. We Terra'd into a flying weakness. Wow. Bananas that happened. That double miss was so clutch. We're just going to protect here. We're going to switch into Tornadus, and we're going to pray. Pray to the Poke Gods. Arceus, get me through. Tornadus, the Poke Fan comes in. Protect here. And they Bleak Wind Storm again. Okay. And a U-turn. Okay. Okay, we're going to Rain Dance. Flutter. Okay. Oh man. That's unfortunate. We definitely don't take 2 hits. Okay, I have an idea. Wow. I was trying to figure out how I can take out... Okay, oh, they didn't attack? Yo, let's go! Okay. And they D-Gleam. We probably lose Tornadus here. We do, that's fine. Because they don't have Tailwind, and we have the Rain Up, so we have our speed with Poliwrath. And we're just going to go back into Rillaboom here. Yeah. So we have a fake out. What do they got? Okay. We already know they're faster than them. And fake out. Liquidate the Flutter Mane and fake out their Rillaboom. Okay. Oh, are you focused? Oh, look at you. Not bad. And the D-Gleam, we should live. Okay. Now we could protect Grassy Glide. But they do have U-turn. So maybe we want to Drain Punch and Grassy Glide. Like, maybe that's the best play. Because then that puts them down to only having one Pokemon. And do we know what that is yet? We don't. Okay. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, Protect. Okay, that's fine. Because we're going to Drain Punch the Rillaboom. It's +6 Drain Punch. Should do tons of damage. Let's see. It picks up the KO, and we get tasty health back. Eat them HPs up. Like a spaghetti dinner with homemade bolognese sauce. I'm talking, it took hours to make that sauce. Hours. Okay. Terrain does disappear. Gambit. Okay. I mean, we're just going to swap the Flutter out, or swap into the Flutter so we can get a Fake out. Potentially, and I want my Terrain back, I'm not going to lie. But we're going to Drain Punch. They could Terra Ghost. They don't. Okay. Okay. King Gambit goes. Came and went. They said, hey, how's it going? Gotta go. And what's their Flutter going to do? T-Gleam. We took our Poliwrath back to full health. And swap there. Battle was canceled. GG's. That's the way to do it. I mean, that was a good battle. We came in and we just destroyed with Poliwrath. That's exactly what I wanted this team to do. Like, exactly how it worked is exactly how I wanted it to do. Now, we could have brought our Palpitoad over the Fluttermane, which is probably would have been the better bring in that particular instance because it gave us... Palpitoad's a pretty thick Pokemon, so it gives you good switch-ins with Rillaboom and stuff like that. That's why an Intimidator, a bulky Intimidator, if you can get a good bulky Intimidator on this team, that's why that would be, I think, be really good. So if you brought, like, Poliwrath, Palpitoad, Rillaboom, and the Intimidator, you just start switching in and out, but that's neither here nor there. That was a good battle. Let's get on to the third and final battle of the episode. Alright. Battle time. What do we do here? Trick Room. I think we bring Flutter. Maybe Rillaboom. Ogerpon. And I guess Tornadus. It's not Tornadus. I don't. It's not. It's not Tornadus. It's definitely something else. It's probably the Palpitoad or something like that. I need to tweak this team a little bit. Okay. I guess we'll fake out and Shadow Ball that thing. That was my plan, anyways. Of course, they could Heavy Slam us. Yeah, they're gonna Heavy Slam us. But if we don't let them get Trick Room up... Oh! Okay. Never mind. Okay, Crest does not go down. Okay. The berry is unfortunate. They get a lot of health back there. Okay, Fluttermane is not our, like... This is unfortunate. Fluttermane. We need Fluttermane. Okay. I'm gonna go Ogre Palm. And I'm gonna go Woodhammer. Hopefully Woodhammer is enough. I just can't. We had a huge risk there, leaving the Fluttermane on the field right there to catch a. Well, they withdraw. Okay. Ursaluna. Well, Ursaluna don't want this move to happen to it. That's for sure. They don't want a Woodhammer. Nope. No, they do not. Okay. And a Drain Punch. Do they not have Heavy Slam? Ogre Palm. Okay. We could Spiky Shield here. Are you good? Are we letting really Boom go down? I'm gonna high horsepower. Oh, they're Spiky Shield. Okay. Oh, whatever. We had the same idea, I guess. They detect. Only the Rillaboom's taking damage. Was our free Trick Room turn, or free Swords Dance turn. Oh, I should have clicked it. I should have clicked it. I should have clicked it. I'm gonna double. I'm gonna double the Iron Hands. Oh, they're faster. Okay. So we need our Tailwind. We definitely need our Tailwind. So they get their attack boost. Man, if we would have Swords Dance last turn, we could have Spiky Shielded this turn, let Rillaboom go down, got our Tailwind user in, and just went to town from there. Okay. They Ivy Cudgel. They're faster than the Rillaboom, too. That was a good Ivy Cudgel, not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna Ivy Cudgel into their... that thing, followed up by a high horsepower. Dang. That's unfortunate. Oh, they just Drain Punch. Okay, that's fine. Alright. We did like nothing to them. That's unfortunate. Let's go Tornadus. And let's go. Man, they just hit me with that. All they have to do is hit me with a electric move. I'm going Swords Dance Tailwind. I know this is... Okay, there's the Spiky Shield. If they detect here, we're in really good shape. Yes! Oh, we got them. Checkmate. Tailwind? Now watch this. This is I totally was debating on follow me, Swords Dance. Follow me, Swords Dance. Oh yeah. Swords Dance, baby. Okay. And they're leftovers too. That's pretty funny. Oh no, that wasn't leftovers. That was grassy terrain. And Rain Dance. Ivy Cudgel Rain Dance. If they take out our Ogre Palm, then they take out our Ogre Palm. Good for them. But we have Tailwind up, so we should be able to take out their Ogre Palm. And we're going to set the Rain. So it's going to stop any damage they're doing. Fire damage. This is going to weaken it even more. We get the Ivy Cudgel off. Plus 2 Ivy Cudgel. In the Rain. See you later, Ogre Palm. Critical hit too. Dang. The math on that damage was insane. We had the Rain boost. We had the +2. We had the stab. We had the... Is it single stab or double stab? I'm not sure about that. There's the wild charge. You can have it. You can have them. Because... Yeah, we have our... I mean, Ogre Palm for Ogre Palm is fine. Well, they are leftovers. That's why they got so much health. Now we have a full health Flutter. And we just Moonblast. And they have a Cresselia. A really damaged Cresselia. We have full health Pokemon, they don't. We Moonblast. They could detect here. Okay, let's think about this. Let's just Moonblast Blink Windstorm. Yes! Okay, that's... I knew they were going to detect. Yeah. Making plays, baby! Gaming! Their out is Trick Room. Okay. Our out was knocking out their Trick Room user. GG's. And Taunt. Taunt! That was canceled. GG's. Great way to actually end the episode. That actually ended up being a really decent episode in my opinion. It really showed the team and how it worked out and how it played and all that stuff. And I think I might change this team a little bit and then bring it back in like a few weeks. Reggie, I think, definitely stays after October. I'm not for sure when it ends, but this is a really fun team. I had a blast with it. So I don't think we're going to get up to Master Ball because I had some losses with this team. They were just like, I went up against 2 teams that like had an answer to everything I was trying to do, unfortunately. It happens. That's the thing when you play teams that have like a shtick about it. And I was focusing on playing the Belly Drum Poliwrath combo, just because that's the way I built the team. But that's the end of the episode. I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. If you did, in fact, enjoy this episode, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, we're trying to get to 500 subscribers, so go ahead and scroll down, hit that big red subscribe button, and then you get the opportunity to stay up to date with my Pokemon content. Until next time, stay positive, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.